The Rezi Chrome extension brings your job search into one place. Here's how to set it up and use it. Head to the Chrome web store and search for Rezi. Select the extension, click Add to Chrome, then sign in with your Rezi account. That's it. The extension is now connected to your resumes and profile. When you're ready to apply for a job, open the extension and choose which resume you want to use. Hit autofill and Rezi pulls your details straight into the application fields. It works across major platforms like Workday, Greenhouse, and Lever. Always double-check before submitting, but you'll skip a lot of repetitive copy-pasting. If you want to build a resume from your LinkedIn profile, open the extension while on your LinkedIn page and let Rezi pull your experience across automatically. The built-in tracker keeps all your applications organized. Move jobs between stages like applied, interviewing, and rejected, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can also generate mock interview questions based on the specific role you're looking at. Rezi gives you questions tailored to that position. Autofill, LinkedIn import, application tracking, interview prep. That's the Rezi Chrome extension.